O-Calc has two tools to help me find and manipulate polls when I have a large collection of them. I'm not quite sure from the file name which one I want to work with, or in fact when I have a large batch of operations that I want to do. I want to make some simple edit to a whole bunch of polls. And that's the poll reviewer and the poll previewer. So if I go to more options, file, more options, and let's do preview first. Here it pops up and it shows me a list of all the polls in a particular directory, and I can of course change that directory. And simply by clicking on them, it automatically opens that poll, and I'll just put this someplace off screen so we can see what's going on. It actually loads that poll and calculates it for me. Okay, so it's very easy for me to hop, skip around and look at a whole bunch of polls that way. And in fact, I can either then cancel out of here, or I can even say open, in which case it's going to go ahead and open that poll for me, and now I'm editing that poll. Similarly, if I go to the poll reviewer, this is a slightly different form of tool. Here again, I see all of the polls in a particular directory, but I have this forward and back button that lets me in fact go through the list and do something to them one at a time. And in addition, this thing is actually open. I'm in a position where I can edit this poll, and because I have this option called autosave, click to true, if I click on this insulator and say I want to delete it, okay, and then I say next, it automatically saves that poll and opens up the next one for me. And if I go to the previous poll, so I go back to that one, you'll see in fact the poll has been saved. That change was made. This is an incredibly powerful tool if you're going to be doing like a bulk change, like setting the owner on a whole bunch of polls or something like that. And again, when I'm done with it, I just close it and I'm back to where I was before.